Guys, well, I was not expecting this shoot. I was just driving off here waiting. Actually, I found this amazing port. The Coast Guards are here. They just arrived. They're about to take off, and they were really cool about me stepping in front of their boat and taking pictures and videos. They seemed curious at first, but then later they were really cool. So yeah, guys, I want to tell you about the videos that I'm shooting with. This is all shot in classic chrome -2. The highlights and the shadows color is +1, and sharpness I believe is at -2. If you recall, these are the settings for my out of the camera video settings that I made for Eterna. They also work great in classic chrome in the sunny blue sky. So I'm gonna go around and look for some other places to shoot. If you guys like what you've seen so far, hit a thumbs up. All right, see you around. Let's see if we can find another cool spot to shoot at. Hopefully we could get some area we can park, leave the car in peace, out of the way, and that way we could get some decent shots. But looks like I'm reaching the end of the road. We might not be able to get many shots here. So to the left, private property. You know what, let's go to Yashima, see if we could find something to shoot at, because right here we got nothing. Alright guys, so I find me a nice little spot to shoot some boats on the water. Let's see what we can get again with the classic chrome straight out of the camera. All the stills, JPEGs, as well as the videos are all gonna be straight out of camera. I'm not gonna touch anything on post. Again, if you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, thumbs up. See you.